Hello and welcome to myminimaths.co.uk video tutorials. And today we're going to be looking at the value of digits in a 4-digit number. Okay, and the very first thing we need to do is look at the values of the different columns. So the place value, to look where all these different numbers, any number, can just slot into. So first of all, we have our units. Let's redo that one. We have our units, we have our tens, we have our hundreds, and we have our thousands. Then we take the first value, which is here, which is 3,547. So we place the 3,000 in the thousands column, the 500 in the hundreds column, and the 40 in the tens, and finally the 7 in the units. And we need to identify the value of the 5-digit, this one here, and we can clearly see that it's in the hundreds, so the value is 500. And next we're on to question 2. And this time we're going to look at the value 256. So again, the 200 would go into the hundreds column, the 50 belongs in the tens for 5 tens, and finally 6 units. And again, if we look at the 5-digit, this time it's in the tens column, so it has a value of 50. And next we're on to question 3, which is 9,015. So if we start on the left hand side, first of all we have 9,000, so the 9 goes into the thousands column. We have 0 hundreds this time, and then we just have 15, so we have 110 and 5 units. And we're looking for the 5-digit, which is this one here, and we can clearly see it's 5 units or 5 ones, so it has a value of 5. And finally on to question 4, which is 5,327. So again, starting on the left hand side in the thousands column, we have our 5 for 5,000, 300 in the hundreds column, and 27 in the tens in the units. And again, we're looking for our 5-digit, which is this one here, when this time it's in the thousands, so it has a value of 5,000. Thank you very much for listening today, and I look forward to speaking to you again soon. And don't forget to subscribe to the My Mini Maths YouTube channel for all the latest updates.